Riley! Riley! Stay here. Stay from here, going all the way here. From left to right. Can I see it? Come here, bring it over. What is that?
Amin na, pakitain ko kay... Pakitain ko kay Kuya
What is
Lai.
it? Let's see.
Dito man siya.
Yeah, nice.
Dito.
I told you.
Dito.
Oh. Kainin mo yung ipit niya.
Thank you. Ilagay mo dyan.
Crayfish? Yan.
Ganda.
Hold from the back. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hindi yan masakay. Ha? Pinatay. Tangi. Pinatay niya. Ba't mo pinatay? Loko. Wala na. Okay, go.
Again.
Loko. Ba't mo pinatay? Okay, harap mo. Loko. Naipit eh. Hanap pa kayo. Pinatay niya ha. Sayang. Ilagay natin sa laing. Hanap ka ng hipon, bilis. Riley, huwag mong basahin yung sapatos mo ha. Joshua, don't get wet. Halika, come here. Bring it over. I want to see it. Come. Show me. Huh? Baby? Where?
Lobster. Here?
Oh. Lagay mo, bitawan mo. Para lumaki pa siya. Ele, ano ginagawa mo? Don't remove your shoes, Riley. Wow, no. Yung sapatos mo, isuot mo. No. No. What did I tell you? No. No. Sabi ko sa'yo, malamig pa. Malamig yung tubig. Trying to find a great fish or crawfish. Oh, shut up. Pantok na ako. Ano yan? Ano yan? Pusa-pusa.
Hold it for me.
Oh, fine.
Hold it for me.
Ako na. Bili ko na. Sige. Wag ka, Riley, malakas ang alon dyan. Dito kayo. Riley. Dito. Malalim dyan, malalim. Dito lang kayo. Dyan nakakuha si Joshua. Uh-huh. Discovery? Dinosaur Discovery? What is that? Dinosaur Discovery? Can I see it? Sandali, wait. Oh, it's a skin, dinosaur skin. Go wash it. And if you want to bring it, bring it. Wow! Is that a shell? Ano yan? Shell yan? Shell?
Gold!
Oh, gold! Oh, cellphone!
Gold!
May gold siya, oh. Glitters.
May natin ito.
Oh, dali mo yan. Oh, dali mo. Dali mo. Nag-glitter siya, no? Gold, oh. Oh. Gold nga. Nag-glitter siya. Tsaka ba, bigat. Ang bigat ka na dito. Gold to siguro. May halong gold.
I threw it! There it is!
Ayan, nak.
Ayan, kinagat ako. Yan,
Ayan, basi.
diba nakagat din ako.
Okay, put it over here. Okay? Diyan, lagay mo sa may gold. Gold yan eh. May mga gold yung ano. Where is it, Riley? Tignan mo yung nakakuha ni ano, ni Hyler na bato. May gold siya nag-glitter. Oh. Ayun, may gold siya. Batik. At mabigat, ba't ang bigat? Ang nipis. Oh. May gold siya, oh. Batik, oh. Mabigat siya. Nag-glitters. Pabigat, oh. Bigat. Nag-glitters na parang gold. Saan mo na kaya ito, Alan? Gold to, gold. Pakita natin, gold. May batik-batik siya, oh. Batik, gold. Di kabila. Huwag mo tapon, ha? Huwag mo tapon. Gold. Sa rock. Ha? Egg. Mayaman na si Hyler. May nahanap siyang gold.
Wawa naman, nilagay mo na doon. Sana, nilagay natin dito. Pero matagal pa ka
Babuta po niyan, Lera, yung gold mo. Pakita natin kay Nanay Bing kasi yung kaibigan ng Nanay Bing nag-ano ng gold. Oh, nag-ano siya ng gold. Pakita natin. Kanina may gold yan, oh. Yun, oh. Nag-glitter siya, oh. Nag-glitter ng gold. Oh. Dumikit siya sa bato. Boy! Wag! Maghanap ka pa ng ganito, Ler. Riley! Hindi, wala kang gagamitin sa school. Uy, sabi ko sa'yo. No, behind you. Pop! Joshua, what? I told you. Meron naman? Crawfish? Akin na. Ihawin natin. Malaki, dalawa. Oh. Wow. Kita nga. Tara, ipunin natin. Wait. Kuha ko ng ano, lalagyan na. Wow, look! You got friends! Ready, Rainer! You got friends over there! Ready! Clear!
Ah, di ko na wala laki. Nandun. Di ko nakita na.
Rainer, yung friends mo, nandun yung friends mo. Classmate mo sila? Ha? Are they your classmates?
Mga babae.
Ha? Hindi mo sila classmate?
Na hindi nila inalawan ko, diba?
Oo.
Magandang din tayo, sabi niya.
Oo. Pagka maghanap tayo ng ano, lagayan. Uwi na yung mga friends nyo, si bye! Can you find a plastic, Ronnie? Mag-ipon tayo. Dito, may lagayan ng tubig. Come. Come to this. Joshua, come here! Josh, wait, dito na lagay. Dito lagay natin sa mineral. Wash it. Kalutuin natin.
Nahanap ko.
Wow, laki. Wait, pati nga.
Nahanap ko, Kuya.
Wait. Oh, yan laki. Tara, lutuin natin yan. Doon na natin lagay, oh. Okay, wait. Can you hold this? Can you hold the phone? Laki.
At amin niya.
Wait, linisan ko to. No.
Iano natin sila.
Put everything here, okay?
Natin.
Wait. Hawakan mo. Hold it. Linisan ko to. Wait lang.
Wala, ano to?
Wait lang. Mahulog yung siya. Isang kilo, oh. Pag may isang kilo na.
Na. Ah. Oh my gosh, Daddy, that was two.
Wait.
Nag-ayaw sila. Ow? That's not good. Ah! Ow! Oh my gosh. I know. Ugh. What? Josh! What? Yeah, but why did you push me in? Okay, here. Huh? Iklog ng tao?
Ano to? Tae.
Ha?
Tae.
Ano
Oh, nakatapon yung cellphone.
Sa tae.
Kala ko tae yan, oh. Ayan.
Yung tae?
Oh, ayan. Magana pa kayo. Doon, yung ano mo, Riley, sabi ko sa'yo. Huwag mong ano, basahin. Ang laki ng ipit. Kaya galagan nyo. Maghanap kayo, ha? Maghanap ka ng puset. I told you it's cold. Magkakasakit ka niyan.
Like raindrop.
Ha? Oh, may nakuha na kami, pasayan. Ganyan, lalaki oh. Tara. Doon pa? Wala na. Buhatin mo to na malaki na. Ito, malaki. This one. Slowly. Ayun. Oh, see, I told you.
Ha!
Parang yan.
Ang liit.
Okay na, lagay mo.
Kawawa naman.
Lagay mo na.
Kuya Joshua.
Lamang, ano yan, dyan din yan. Sige.
That's gonna get me.
Push.
Kuya Joshua. Ang galing nun. Sabi daw niya. Kuya Joshua. Sabi daw niya.
Oh, dali. Yan. Tignan mo. Ito, malaki na ito. Ito, mga tala. Yan, malaki na yan. No, that one. Yan. Oh, slowly. Para makita mo.
There's a worm.
Whatever.
Worm. Mali.
Ha?
Mag-yulan po tayo kasi nga pag kinuhin natin yan,
Saan?
hindi tayo kumuha.
Bulati. Halong babayad. Kainin niya ng crawfish.
Oo, ikuhin natin. Ilagay natin dyan.
O, din, dami na nakuha.
Oo, para
Kainin natin mamaya.
Could you help me?
What are you doing?
Touch it.
Then don't touch it. No, don't take that one. Leave it. You cannot eat that. Okay, this one. How about this? Oh, this,
Check those.
no, you checked that one already, but this one is dry. How is it dry? Dahan-dahan lang.
That's yours?
Slowly kasi.
You got it there.
Wow.
I got touch it.
Ay. So, takik. Doon, damit mo.
A worm.
Doon, damit mo doon.
Okay, sorry. Dati na rin siyang god. Ilapitin lang. Okay,
Wait,
I'll try
wait.
again. I don't wanna get there.
Takot ka pala eh.
Ayaw!
Saan? Ipako mo kay Joshua.
I don't know.
Takot ka si Riley, si Hyler, sa Joshua.
Dati ang layo ng bato ko hanggang
Wow!
sa ito.
Wow!
Sabi daw niya, dito ako. Gabi.
Dali.
He was very big.
Hawak mo to. Let me see. If you're gonna try to look for a thing, you gotta go slowly like this, so they don't run away. They usually go on a big rocks, under the big rocks. No, no. Look, akin na, give me some. Hey, matapon yun, oh. Let me see. Yeah, this one under. Right here. Paano doon? Shit, nawala. Wala siya. Is that it? This one eh. Ayun, oh.
Is it? Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Ayan. Ay, takbo ka pa. Ayan. Marami tayong nakuha.
Dati, meron ako nakuha ang ayon.
Oh, ayun. Okay, good. Try this one. Riley, don't get wet.
Lucky, I think I just saw one. I tried to look this up and I think I saw one and jumped off and I don't know where it went.
Probably gone because you know the water is flowing really fast.
So open and slow.
Yeah, I told you about going wet. Did I tell you that?
I said the same.
Oh shucks. The water is flowing really fast. What?
Let me have the lobster.
Is there? Okay, put it there. Oh. Oh boy, wala. Dito. Ito, meron to. Malamang. Sana meron. Shoot empty. Empty. Ah! Ha? Put it here.
Wala po rin ba?
Put it in the bottle. Put it.
Here. No, I put it away.
Put it in the bottle.
No, put it away.
No, put it in the bottle.
Stop. Ah!
We're gonna put it in the aquarium and then the fish is gonna eat them. We'll see if our fish is gonna eat them. Oh, 2? You did 2. I'm gonna do 3. Look, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See? Oh, tignan mo dito. Bakit nila nga? Oh, ano ka? Mabasa ka.
Daddy, nakakapag-ako dito.
Okay.
What?
Oo daw.
Ang laki! Daddy. Ano to?
Gusto na pumunta sa McDonald's?
Ano to nga? Nandiyan ko yung cheese
Saan?
malaki itong malaki. Kaya siya saan? Singkuod lang.
Wala na, lumipad na.
Hindi no?
Hindi. Dahon yan. Usually, they go under the big rocks.
Redstone!
Wow.
Redstone! Daddy, can you put this? Redstone! Joker!
Tube.
Redstone!
Oh, redstone.
Oh, redstone! Redstone! Laki yan! Ang laki dito!
Pag ano, marami makikita tayo dito pag summer. Sa ano to? What is this?
Ah! Oh, doon! Dito tayo!
Tumulog ka. Doon, mababaw doon. You guys find anything? Huh?
Redstone!
Redstone! Oh, the little one.
Oh, look at that!
That is the red one. Right there is the red one.
Redstone!
Redstone is flintstone. Yabba-dabba-doo. Okay, hold it. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. No, get him on. Oh, shit. You see? Do you see if there is anything under the big rock? No. How about this one? Try to lift that up. That one. Slowly. So the water don't get blurred. Hey! No! Mamamatay sila. Put some water. Are you ready? Let's go, McDo. No? Oh no. Green.
Emerald!
Emerald. Emerald.
This is not emerald. This is not emerald.
Oh, what's up?
That's it. No.
No, next time, kunin natin yung chinilas mo. No, wala kang chinilas. Mapapasayan, masusukat ka. Masusukat ka, kasi puro bato to. O, tara na. Pahiram mo yung chinilas mo, Joshua. Pahiram mo yung chinilas mo. O, tanggalin mo, dito. Sit down over there. Sit down. Pahiram mo yung chinilas mo. Itaas mo yung ano ha. Itaas mo yung pants mo. Lift up your pants. Okay. Oh, no. We gotta wait for him, okay? He's just gonna use it for a while.
Hans,
No. Yeah.
only 15 minutes.
15 minutes, okay?
20 minutes.
I'm gonna put my timer on.
No. 1 minute.
Oh, 1 minute, go.
Oh, 1 minute. How about 2 minutes?
2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. Taas mo yun, Ayla. Taas mo yung pants mo, ganito. No, come here. Like this, come here. Lift it up all the way to your my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. Okay, go. Tong. Tong. Go. Is it show? Isa po yung sabas na. Ha? Kasha. I told you. Hey! What happened? Batos, my neck, my shoulder, my head. Hey, bum. Watch it. Watch out. What's this? What's up? What's this? I don't understand. Susie was a member of the high school band. Yeah, this one, the big one. It's gonna be a dinosaur. But the water is flowing so fast. We cannot catch it. See? It's gonna go away. Right away. No way. Bye way. Okay. This way. Anyway. That way. Here. It's good and cold in here. Did you find anything, Riley? Huh? Try to lift that one up, like that. No, those three. Those three rocks right there. Okay, let me see. Huh? Tyler? No, this one. These three. No, the black one. Yeah, those three. Slowly. The one beside it. And the one in the middle. That one, yeah. Did you find anything? All I see are shadows. Huh. I'm gonna try to lift this up. See what I can see. Ow, to see what I can find. Nothing else behind. No. Nada. Ah, shuck. Ah, where is it? Somebody.
Look. Lamig ko yan, Joshua. Umaapak ka. Ang lamig mo.
Wag kasi wala kang gabi sa school. Tara, uwi sa bahay ko. Kunin ka ng chinilas nyo. What is this?
Forgot me.
Dead shell. Dead shell. Huh. Oh, let me see. Baby, sometimes win with us. The honesty is too much. Wala. Naubos nyo na. Naubos nyo na ang crawfish.